How to change Facebook page URL. So if you want to change your Facebook page URL, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and then search for Facebook. Once you've searched here, you will have Facebook login or sign up. Go for that Facebook and then make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go for your page by simply clicking on the upper right. Once you click on the upper right, you will have this page option, or tap on switch profile and then switch to your page. And once you've logged into your page, now go for settings and privacy, and then again go for settings. And here on the left, you will have page setup on the left side. Click on page setup, and then here you will have name option. Tap on view, which is on the right side, and here you will have your username or your URL. So if you have not set your URL, then you can simply set it, or if you already have your username or URL, then you can simply go for edit, which is on the right side, and then you can edit your username. So that's how you can change your Facebook username. Once you've entered the username, click on save changes, and once you've saved, your username or your URL will be changed. So that's how you can change your URL on your Facebook page, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.